Hi guys, and welcome to hackmyfunnel.com. You wonder what you're gonna find on this page. So let me tell you what you can find. You can find free training on how to make more money online. You can find free training on how to make affiliate money online. If you don't want to ship your own products or you don't want to handle inventory, I have the entire training on how to make affiliate money. You can sign up here on the button on the site, and I give you access to my entire training that made me next to my other businesses, but this passive training generated me $2,400 in just 1 month's time. And I'm gonna guide you through the 7-step process on how to do that. You can download my exact funnel, you can download my exact email sequence. So you just need to switch out your name, edit some images, replace a link, and launch. And when you get people to your funnel, everything's going to be set up. They're going to enter your funnel, they're going to receive some email messages, they're going to get hyped up for making money online, like hopefully you are hyped up to do. So this entire training contains 7 steps. It's really easy to follow. Every time there's a video and a button where you can download something, like the funnel, the email sequence, and you just edit that. So stop wasting time, hit the button, get access to the training, and start making money online. And I'll be getting your email messages after you make your first box. So there's an entire screenshot with video and proof and everything. Just hit the button below or on the side, enter your name and email address, and you get instant access to the entire training. If you don't want this training, check out the other page. Hack My Funnel, it's awesome. I put all my content in there. Free training, free webinars, how to make money online. Check it out. But first, hit the button below.